Hello?
Yeah.
I'm trying to reach Mr. Is this Mr.
Yeah, this
This is Benjamin Dixon. Trevor is my son. He goes to school with your son now.
Yeah.
He went to a birthday party that your son had last weekend. Am I right?
Yeah.
Well, listen, I understand.
You're right.
Listen, I have a problem with you, Mr. because I understand that you all are Jamaican and from Jamaica, but listen, you guys serve the children curry goat.
So?
You don't serve kids curry goat. Everybody's child doesn't eat curry goat. Pete, what happened to ice cream and cake and punch and maybe even a pizza at a birthday party for kids? But curry goat? That's out the question.
Hold on, brother man. So you mean, where you come talk about me feed the kid them curry goat? How are you? Where you come from? I come back with your little idiot talk argument, brother man. How you be? I know where you wanna know why you have a problem with me. What kind of problem you have with me, so?
I got a problem with any parents who decides on their own that somebody else's child, it's okay to feed them some curry goat. My child don't eat no goat. We eat chicken. We eat steak. We eat cow. We don't eat curry goat.
What the brother man, yeah? Yeah, me, it's just when them tell them I eat the curry goat. Him love it. You know what I mean? And if you did come, I know you on my phone and you're going like a mad brother fat. But if you did come, I feed you some curry goat too. And if they bring all the wife and everybody with you, all of them would eat some curry goat. Some of them know what happened to you. Never shouldn't send him.
Okay, I need you to slow it down for me, man. I ain't understanding nothing you saying.
What you mean slow? You think this a car? What you mean? You call my phone. On my phone you call, you know.
Look, man, all I'm saying is this is disrespectful to the child, to people's parents. You going out on your own liberty deciding on what you gonna feed somebody. You gotta feed them normal stuff. You can't do that. Kids at birthday parties here in the States, man, it's pizza, it's ice cream, it's cake, it's punch. That's it. Hot dogs maybe, but not no damn curry goat.
Hey, better watch how you call on my phone and attack all kind of. You know, say now I'm no respect that man. How am to you? You come like a bad they want me to come telling her this phone.
I'm not disrespecting you by calling your phone. I want to know why it is you doing something like this. And I bet you these other parents don't know you've been serving goat.
Look at dirty bat. The only thing you is a look up. How about you, big man? You want to meet me? Like you want some curry goat to eat. Can me meet you somewhere and give you some curry goat for blood? Eh?
Oh, you want? Oh, you?
Well, like you, mad. All of the day attack, you need to bring back my curry goat. Because all of the day I hype up your mouth, me take my good curry goat and feed your hungry belly pit to them. You call in my phone and I come talk to you. Hey, let me tell you something. You better come off from my phone because I'm mad. You get me mad right now. You see what I say?
Oh, you want to meet me somewhere? Is that what you want to do?
Listen, me meet you anywhere. Anywhere at all. If you want it, if I war, I war. If you want war you want. If I war, just say the word and you get war. Me meet you anywhere. Anywhere. Eh?
You're going to make me hurt you, man. If I come over there, you're going to make me hurt you. You hear me? Then I mean this, man. Now, I called you because I'm a concerned parent about my child. And then you got a nerve to tell me you're the one that's in the wrong.
Who the f***? You know, say you're a mad rascal, man. What happened to you, Bridget? I look like the brother you're serious. Just imagine me there so peacefully, you know. I'm not trouble you, know. You come from my phone and talk a bag of race. Imagine. You mean you talk about your feed your pitney them dog. Over Jamaica, we no feed why pitney them pan dog. So you're the nasty one. You understand? So don't wanna come tell me about dog. Can we feed all your whole family some
You ain't finna feed my family. No, you don't bring my family in this, man. You don't bring my wife and my kids into nothing. You hear me?
Talk off your mouth. Listen, me we feed your wife, your pitney, your uncle, niece, nephew, and everybody and your
I got one. You know what, man? I'm gonna tell you. I got something I want to tell you. You listening?
I don't want to hear nothing from you. I don't want to hear all from you.
This is Nephew Tommy from the Steve Harvey Morning Show. You just got pranked by your sister Patsy.
Tell Patsy me say she forgot her blood woman.
Like that. hey, you just got pranked by your sister Patsy, man. She put me up to this, dog.
Man, I laugh like a joke. You still take this thing to joke. I just say that one and then you laugh. So I'm not lie still, better you laugh because I lick me a plan to lick off your head. If you don't laugh, it matter still. But I feed you and your family some curry goat, same way. Oh no, because me I say, if him a cuss more curry goat, he must never try it before.
Man, it's good too.
Can't be there, I said to myself, it come like me really have to go cook a pot of curry goat, can't go give the brother. Yeah?
You know, when you get angry, American people really can't understand what you're saying. You went on a Jamaican run.
I mean, that's a real yard man for you for a big man. What you?
We gotta give a shout out to all of the Jamaicans out there, baby.